Hey guys, welcome to How to iOS YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you how to save SSH2 blobs for your iPhone or iPad. By the end of this video, you will successfully have SSH blobs for your iOS 14 version. The question is, what are these SSH blobs and why do you need to save them at the first place? The SSH blobs, these are the hashing formulas that are small piece of data that is part of Apple's digital signatures. These refer to your device's ECID, which is a unique identification number embedded in your device's hardware. For example, you are updated to latest iOS firmware. After that, you feel your device starts lagging. In this case, if you have saved SSH blobs for previous iOS versions, you can easily downgrade to those. First of all, go to this ipsw.me website and select the device for which you want to save SSH blobs for. Also keep in mind you can only save SSH blobs for the iOS versions that are currently signed by the Apple. All the red versions are unsigned and only green are signed, which means you can currently save SSH2 blobs for iOS 14 and iOS 14.0.1. And this method to save SSH blobs works for pre-A12 devices. Those devices are iPhone 10 and lower. We will be using an online tool TSS Saver to save our SSH blobs. Go to the browser and type this website. After the website is loaded, we need to put in our device's ECID or hashing formula number here. We will get this after connecting our device to the iTunes. Connect your iPhone with the cable to your computer, and when the iTunes pops up, click on the little device icon and here you will see serial number. Click the serial number and you will see UCID. Now click again and you will have the ECID number. Right click and copy the ECID number. Go back to TSS Saver and paste the ECID number. Under Identify section, carefully select your device model. If you fail to select the correct one, you won't be able to have the SSH blobs for your device. After that, select the CAPTCHA and click on the submit button. Now the SSH blobs for our device are saved. If you click on the link, you will be taken to the page where you can see your saved SSH blobs. After clicking on the link, if you don't see your saved SSH blobs there, don't worry about that. Just refresh the page after 3 to 4 minutes and then you will be able to see those. Hey guys, if you have made this far in this video, a subscribe to the channel would be great. Click on any of the versions being shown on your screen and from there you will be able to download the blobs for that specific version, which later you can use to downgrade to that specific version on your device. Keep in mind, if you don't have saved these SSH blobs for previous versions, you won't be able to downgrade to the previous versions later. In the future, if you need to retrieve these blobs again, copy your ECID number and paste into the retrieve section of TSS Saver website and click on the Get Your Blobs button. It will take you to the page where all the blobs are saved for your specific device. This is how to save SSH blobs for pre-A12 devices. Later, if you want to downgrade your iOS device using these saved SSH blobs, a link to an article is given below in the description. Use that to downgrade your device using Future Restore script.